I'm successfully using Eazybot for over 6 months now, but a lot of new members ask me the same question over and over again. What are the best coins for trading? Today, we're gonna find out. So as I said, I'm using Eazybot for over 6 months now and have very different results on each coins. We see over $300 in profits on Aave, but only 46 on Tron. Why are there so much difference between all of the coins? Obviously, one big factor, and maybe the biggest factor, is how the coins are performing in the time using the bot. So if Aave only goes up, obviously my profit will only rise every single day. If Aave was on a continuous downtrend and never went up in price, obviously also my Eazybot would not bank in profits, right? So that's pretty easy to understand. But there is more to it than just sideways or upwards or downwards trends. One really big factor is the volatility of the coins. But what is volatility? So here we are on CoinMarketCap checking out the 1 month price chart of Bitcoin. So we see we started with about $16,000 and are now at $16,800. And in the last 20 days, basically the price didn't change. So it had one little spike up and spike down, and that's about it. The Bitcoin price in the last 20 days was very, very stable. So there was not a lot of trades to be made, right? If you bought in here for about 17,000, your only chance to sell would have been up here. And when you buy again here, there was no time to sell again. So because the price was very stable, there was not a lot of opportunity to get in and out of the market. But that's what the bot wants. We want a lot of this kind of movement, a lot of ups, a lot of downs, you know? So here we have the Dogecoin chart for the last year. And we see that over the year, it basically was a continuous downtrend, right? We were starting the year at 17 cents and are now at 7 cents. But I can assure you that the bot made a lot of profit during the year. Why? We see all of those spikes up and down, right? And we see that we went from as high as 19 cents to as low as 11 cents in the beginning of the market, but spiked back up to 17 cents. And that's where the bot makes the most profits, in those kind of movements. So the first 3 months would have been absolutely perfect for the bot. And the same happened in the last 3 months again. So we had this spike up, obviously made ridiculous amounts of profits up here. But then from 15 cents, it dropped to 7 cents. So a 50% drop, but went back up to about 10.5 cents. And this was enough to close down the trades we opened up here at $15. So made another good chunk of change during that time. So again, even though this price chart doesn't look too great, for the bot, it's just enough to make a really good amount of profit. So we now have about 30 different kind of coins we can trade with Eazybot. And if you use the free version of it, where you can only start 2 bots, you should really go into details on your research and check out what's the most volatility on the coins, or which coin has the most volatility into it, so you can get the best results out of it. So one way would be to go onto TradingView and check the volatility. And this is an old screenshot, so this is not up to date. You should go and do it again. But in this chart, we see basically that in the last month, Litecoin had the best volatility with about 16%. This is basically the difference between the high and the low in the movement in between. But here's another one. Here's Solana in the last month. We started the month with about $11, went up to $15, so over 30% plus. Dropped back down to 12.5, went back up to almost 15, dropped back down to 12. So Solana also a very good bot in the last month. But for the bot users who used Solana for a little bit more of time, we know that we dropped down from almost $38. So this drop was not recovered yet by the bot. And this right here basically is the perfect price chart for a cryptocurrency trading bot like Eazybot. This right here is the year-to-date price chart from Ethereum Classic. So you see it goes down, goes back up, goes down, goes up, goes down, goes up, goes down, goes up. That's the perfect price chart for our Eazybot. So as I said, we cannot just define the one best coin to trade on Eazybot by just checking out the volatility. But we can definitely find out coins who might work better than the others. You should definitely make a lot of research, especially using the free package. If you're the VIP Plus user, like I am, you don't need as much research because obviously I trade almost every single coin anyways, so it doesn't really matter. But if I only have 2 options in the free package or 10 in the advanced, I would really dig into the coins. Which ones are performing better this year, which ones have the more volatility this month or this year, and check my options that way to really get the best results possible. Because in the end, everybody and everyone just wants to make a quick buck, don't we? But by wrapping all that up, obviously please keep in mind that I'm not a financial advisor and none of this is financial advice. We are in the crypto space and in the trading space. Crypto is very volatile. Obviously trading is very risky itself. So combining that makes it still a very risky investment. Obviously, EasyBot has been my personal #1 investment so far, and the crypto space makes me profit every single day, and I'm very happy to share it with you guys. So if you guys want to check out EasyBot yourself, the link will be down below into the comment section and in the description. Please let me know the experiences with the bot if you're using it already, or you can also contact me every time you want on Telegram, email, whatever you want, WhatsApp, to get more information about the EasyBot and maybe also how to set it up. I can help you out. Until then, see you guys. Bye bye.
Like you, be strong to hold the powers of the sun. To dream